When it comes to tennis, your shoes can make or break your game. The right pair doesn't just add comfort, it gives you the speed, stability, and confidence to push harder on every point. In 2025, brands are bringing more innovation than ever, blending lightweight designs with maximum support and durability. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the best tennis shoes of 2025. Built for players who want to dominate the court, whether they're grinding on clay, sprinting on hard courts, or sliding into those baseline shots. Number 6. Wilson Rush Pro Ace. The Wilson Rush Pro Ace is all about making the game feel easier, faster, and more comfortable. Lightweight and responsive, it seems to disappear on your feet once you step onto the court. Every movement, from quick crossovers to sudden changes in direction, feels secure thanks to Wilson's 4D support chassis, a stability system that reinforces the shoe against ankle twists and excessive motion. It gives players confidence to move aggressively without fear of losing balance. Comfort is another big win here. The roomy toe box makes it a great option for players with wider feet or anyone who wants extra space without sacrificing support. It's the kind of shoe you can wear through long matches and still feel fresh at the end. The price is also a pleasant surprise. At around $100, the Rush Pro Ace delivers performance that feels premium without the premium cost. It's not the most breathable shoe for hot summer matches, but for players who want a balance of speed, stability, and all-day comfort, without breaking the bank, the Wilson Rush Pro Ace is one of the smartest picks in 2025. Number 5. ASICS Gel Challenger 14. Don't let the name fool you. The ASICS Gel Challenger 14 is designed to make the game feel easier, not harder. Built with stability in mind, it gives players the confidence to move aggressively across the baseline. Its Dynawall system provides strong lateral support, helping keep your footing steady even during intense rallies. That extra structure makes it a great match for players who are still developing their movement and want more security from their shoes. On the court, the Challenger 14's outsole strikes the right balance between grip and slide, giving you the freedom to stop when you need to or glide into shots with control. It feels light on the foot, helping you stay energized deeper into matches, and its responsive ride makes long rallies feel less draining. This shoe isn't the best choice for players with very wide feet, since its design runs slimmer. But for beginners or intermediates who want a shoe that combines stability, lightweight comfort, and reliable traction, the ASICS Gel Challenger 14 is an excellent entry point into serious tennis footwear. Number 4. K-Swiss UltraShot 3. The K-Swiss UltraShot 3 is built for players who want lasting comfort without losing that connected feel to the court. Its standout feature is exceptional shock absorption, making long matches easier on your legs and joints. Every landing feels cushioned yet responsive, giving you the protection you need to push through multiple sets without fatigue. Stability is another big strength. The shoe uses K-Swiss's 360 plantar chassis, a support system that reinforces the midfoot and keeps your movement steady in every direction. Combined with a grippy outsole, it locks your foot in place during aggressive side-to-side play, letting you pivot and push off with confidence. On top of that, the outsole offers excellent traction while still allowing a bit of give, so you can slide into shots when needed without losing control. It's a great balance between stopping power and smooth movement, perfect for players who thrive on baseline rallies. The only drawback is breathability. It can run warm during long summer sessions. But if your priority is comfort, stability, and shock absorption, the K-Swiss UltraShot 3 stands out as one of the most supportive and reliable tennis shoes you can buy in 2025. Number 3. ASICS Solution Speed FF3. True to its name, the ASICS Solution Speed FF3 is all about explosive quickness. It's designed for players who love darting from one end of the court to the other, and it delivers a feather-light feel that makes every sprint, bend, and sudden stop feel effortless. With its low-to-the-ground build, it gives you that intimate connection to the court that speed-focused players crave. What makes this shoe stand out is its balance of agility and control. While it feels incredibly light and flexible, the Speed Trust shank system provides the right amount of stiffness to keep your feet stable and supported. That means you can attack every point with confidence, enjoying both speed and security without compromise. The fit is streamlined, hugging the foot closely for a responsive ride. Players with wider feet might find it snug, but for those who want a shoe that's built for acceleration and quick reactions, it's a perfect match. For athletes who thrive on speed and aggressive court coverage, the Solution Speed FF3 is one of the fastest and most dynamic tennis shoes you can step into in 2025. Number 2. Adidas Barricade 13. Few shoes inspire confidence quite like the Adidas Barricade 13. Known for its rock-solid stability, this shoe keeps you in control during the most demanding rallies. At the heart of its design is the torsion system, a sturdy TPU frame that locks in your midfoot and supports your arch. It prevents unwanted twisting and gives you the assurance to slide, stop, and push off with total security. The Barricade 13 also delivers an impressive balance between cushioning and responsiveness. Its lower profile platform provides enough comfort for long matches while keeping you connected to the court, so every adjustment in your footwork feels sharp and precise. Add to that a wider base, and you get a shoe that feels planted and steady, even during aggressive lateral moves. The outsole combines traction and slide potential, giving you the freedom to move with confidence whether you're grinding on clay or battling on hard courts. Breathability isn't its strongest feature, so it can run warm in hot conditions. But when it comes to stability, balance, and control, the Barricade 13 sets the standard. For players who want maximum security without sacrificing responsiveness, the Adidas Barricade 13 is one of the most reliable choices you'll find on court in 2025. Number 1. ASICS Court FF3. The ASICS Court FF3 is a powerhouse built for players who move with full intensity. Whether it's hard dashes to the net or aggressive slides along the baseline, this shoe delivers the stability and grip to make every movement feel secure. Its cushioned, responsive midsole adds comfort without slowing you down, making it one of the most enjoyable shoes to play in. At the core of its design is the Twistra system, a stiff support framework that locks the midfoot in place. This ensures you stay balanced even during rapid changes in direction, giving you the confidence to play fearlessly. A wide base adds to that planted feel, while the outsole grips the court with just the right mix of traction and slide. Comfort is also a highlight, with a dual-density midsole that softens landings under the heel while keeping the forefoot firm and responsive for explosive takeoffs. The only drawback is its snug booty-style upper, which can be tricky to slip on, especially without a heel tab. For serious players who want a shoe that blends stability, grip, and responsive cushioning, the ASICS Court FF3 is our pick for the best men's tennis shoe of 2025. At the end of the day, the best tennis shoe is the one that matches your playing style. From the lightweight speed of ASICS to the rock-solid stability of Adidas and the versatile comfort of Wilson, there's a perfect fit for every player. Which pair would you trust for your next match? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews and buying guides.